Tranquility awakens mood, cognition and sleep support. When your endocannabinoid system is imbalanced, or other nutrient levels are deficient, your sense of happiness and relaxation can be directly affected. Tranquility can be a daily use product that uses a pure CBD isolate infused with natural supplements. The ingredients in Tranquility support a positive mood. It may help to feel less anxious. It can support focus and concentration. The ingredients in Tranquility may aid in sleep and relaxation. Samatha is the Sanskrit word for tranquility. All Nutriveda products are always 100% organic, vegan and heavy metal free. All have scientific white papers from an Ayurvedic doctor. All products are certified by the Science of Life Institute of America. You can experience them all at injuliglobal.com. All Nutriveda products come with a certificate of analysis. Tranquility could be an effective, THC-free option for your health. All Nutriveda products are GMO-free and have enhanced absorption. The Nutriveda collection is only the beginning. Welcome to Injuli Global. You are invited to see more at our website. Thanks for watching.